All right, so anyway, you can get this on Amazon for about less than 30 bucks, really. It's a pretty good deal. And this is their #1 rated one. All right, so anyway, Lauren asked for this thing for her Christmas present. We got it for her because that's how we roll. And she's going to make she's making a little like coupons for her friends that she's going to give them as gifts. And we're going to laminate that sucker right through that thing there in a couple minutes. All right, so anyway, you turn it on back here. It's got off, that's on, and now it's ready to go. You can see the power light is lit, and we're going to go ahead and press 3. You can go hotter with 5.
And I like to put a little bit of tape in between them. You can also just put one. But I like to put a little bit of tape in between them just so they don't move around, but that's not really necessary. So these are just loose pieces, and we'll place them inside the pouch.
Could put it on an angle like that, be very artsy.
Like this. So you just make sure it's flat inside there, and they'll both be in there. Oh, so now we're lighting up, ready.
Okay, we can do it.
Ready.
Here we go.
This is so it says insert the sealed end of pouch. So this is where the pouch is closed together.
So the sealed end goes in.
And you feed it in through here.
Okay. And it's just gonna go.
Sometimes I like to hold it up so that your things don't move around inside. And just to guide it, make sure it comes straight out the other end.
Oh yeah, here it comes.
And then a tablespoon of vanilla extract.
And what I've kind of discovered is no matter what you do or how you lay things, they come out looking good. So now we pull this release, and then it comes out.
Okay, I'm done.
So,
Now what do we do?
so now we just cut around. And it's not like it won't come unsealed if you cut really close into it. I usually round the edges because it'll get like really sharp if you don't sometimes.
So you round the edges, and that's it. Let's see. Oh, wow. That worked out good. Laminate it. Yeah, totally laminated. Oh, you could do everything with that. What?
And that's
Thank you. That's for me.
You can, if things get like a little bit wavy, you can either feed them through again, or you can just press it out with I'll put like a cloth over it.
Can you feed it in just like this?
I'm not sure.
Should we try this one?
I don't know if you can.
Or will it get stuck in there?
Yeah, we could, it probably will go through just fine. I don't know if it's so small. We'll try it this way.
Oh, yeah. So you could do a double feed.
Yeah, you can put them through again. You can also iron it. You can put it on like maybe medium to low heat, put a cloth over it, and you can just iron it out. Like I have done it where it gets caught.
Oh, that came out perfect. Look, now it's perfect.
Yeah,
Now it's perfect. That's a good idea because it went this way, now it's going angular.
so I've done it where it gets caught on the back end, or something was sitting here and I didn't realize it, so it came out all like bunched up and ruined, and then I was able to iron it out and it like totally flattened perfect.
Oh, check it out, it's perfect. That's how you gotta do it. You gotta do it twice.
Yeah.
All right, congratulations. Who's this gonna go to?
This is going to my partner.
All right, this is Lauren with her new laminator she got for Christmas. And you guys can do it too. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff like this.